Scholarship for Wounded Warriors Project. You guys haven't read up on them, read up on their tremendous charity. There's a lot for the warriors that come out and come back home. So thank you guys very much. It's amazing to do over 3,000 for this little run. I mean, this is fantastic. So thank you guys very much. Like a coat spot? Okay. Shout it out so I know you won. Okay, step up. Did you win or not? You go back and forth, back and forth. Come on up, come on up. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Come on up if you want. All right. That's a big one. 290. 290. All right. Congrats. Oh, these are $100. Yeah, these are 100. These are big boys. All right, awesome. Man. Right here. Picture. Take a picture? Yeah. All right. Awesome. So one more $100 gift card. We have 328. 328. Oh, is it really? I think you chose that one. Awesome. Perfect.
It's a fix.
You want to hold it?
All right. Who's first again? You are. Okay.
Cheese.
Awesome. Okay. Here we go. 267. 267. Who's got 267? Anybody? Oh. Awesome. Double winner. Here we go. Awesome. Anybody? 301. Going once? Anybody? Oh, right behind. There we go. Awesome. Congrats. Not included install. This one takes a while. So this is about a $400 screen.
Oh, no, go ahead. Go ahead and read the number. I'm just waiting.
Oh, you just wait?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. $400 screen. This is yours. Just give us a call. We'll work out an install for you. So ready? 306. 306. What do we got? Come on! You gotta buy more than one. It's